This video teaches you how to change the standard Microsoft Word underline to one that's dotted in your open Word document. Highlight the text you want to underline. Click the tiny arrow next to the U button. A list of underlines will appear. Select the underline you want to use. There are several patterns from which to choose. The dotted underline is fourth from the top. This underlines the selected text with that type of underlining. To change the color of your dotted underline, click the arrow again. Select Underline Color, then select an option. To see more underlines, click More Underlines at the bottom of the menu. Then view the options in the Underline Style drop-down menu. This underlines the selected text with that type of underline. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.